Next airdrop we're going to do is DECOIN. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. In the description box below you'll see a link. Just click on it and we'll send it right to this bot. So we're going to join this group at DECOIN. Actually, the first thing we're going to do is start up this bot. We're going to type in what it wants here. BFCN. Or is that an M? BFCN. 4G SP. Okay, now that we're through that, it wants you to create an account on the DECOIN Exchange. So we'll do that. We'll open that up. So we'll click on here, open an account. Type in your email. And then you're going to put in your password. Then you're going to click on here. Then you're going to hit on register. Okay? And then we'll pop this back up. Now it's asking us to go to our email, confirm our email. So we'll do that right now. I just hit on resend email. It did go to my spam folder, I think. Just hold on here. No, it didn't go there. Just click on the verification link. We'll go right to it. It's got all this info. Click I understand, continue. And now you're in the exchange. So we'll pop up this bot again. We'll join the Telegram group. We joined that at the beginning of the video. So you just click on that down there if you haven't done this. And it wants you to like, retweet, and comment on this Twitter post. So we'll open that up. So we'll go here, like, and then it wants a retweet with a comment. This project. So we'll put that through, we'll retweet that out. And we'll pop the bot up. Like and share with the one comment on Facebook. So we'll go open this. And it wants you to put a comment here. So we'll put that in. Copy. Enter that. We'll like it. We'll share it. And we will share this with a comment. So we'll hit this one here. Copy and paste that in like this. Click on post. And we will pop this bot back up again. Twitter post, like, retweet. I want a lot of retweets on this one. So we'll like this. We'll retweet with a comment. Put a nice exchange. And we'll click on retweet down at the bottom here. Pop up the bot again. Like and share, comments. Plus title to use. So we'll like and share this post as well. Share with a comment. So we will like it. Like the post. Nice exchange. And we will share here. paste that in, hit post. Then we'll come down here, submit my data. We want your email address you use for the exchange. Just copy and paste this into here. Click next. Join the Telegram group. You join that group. Process. And it wants your actual link. So once you put in the actual link, your Twitter link. Liked on Facebook, please send the Facebook profile link. So put the Facebook profile link right into there. Send that out. And then we're going to go to Twitter. We're going to click on your face here. And the first tweet we sent out was this one. So we're going to do the first tweet. We're going to go up. We're going to copy the URL up here. We're going to go back to the bot. We're going to copy and paste that into there. Now it wants the Facebook post. So what we'll do here is we will go up here. We're going to go to our activity log. And it wants the first Facebook post, which would be this one. And that's where we commented earlier. And this should be the actual post. So if we go up to our Facebook, onto our last comments, we'll comment on, this would be the first one that was sent. Yeah, make sure you comment on this first one that was sent because it's asking for the first one. So comment on that on your Facebook profile. And then comment on the next one. So when we go to this here, we go to the activity log, we will be the second one down is the one we're going to copy. So this will be the first Facebook post here that we made. You're going to go up into the top, you're going to copy that URL. You're going to come down here, you're going to paste that into here. And it wants a second Twitter post now. So we're just on Twitter, so we're going to go back. And we're going to go to this post now. We're going to get this post. We're going to go up top. We're going to copy that. We're going to come down here. We're going to put that right into there. And now it's the second Facebook post, so we'll pop Facebook back up here. Go to activity log again. You're going to go to this post here. You're going to go up top. You're going to copy the URL up there. You're going to bring it down here. You're going to paste that right into there. And now you can look at your statistics. And we can click on the balance. That's the end of this airdrop. We're off on to the next one. There's no referral for this. This one's just a freebie. It's going to be probably $5 to $10 going into your account. Probably by the end of it, it'll be $10. We're off on to the next video.